It's important you do this. You can get a lot of views with this. And let me also tell you, the video that you should put here are video that you know that you like and is doing well. Video.youtube.com and let the channel load. All right, this is one of my channels. I like to use this one for the tutorial. I'm using my phone, okay, but I'm making it view like the desktop version. That's I typed on Google Chrome, okay, YouTube or studio.youtube.com. So if you're using a system, it will still be easy for you to understand. So what you're going to do now, you're going to be customizing some settings so that it will be unique to us. I've done quite a number of settings, so just follow me step by step so that your channel can start performing well. I have other YouTube channels, so this one just have 22 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and help me grow the channel again. All right, I'm going to click on settings. Onto settings and let it load. Come here to channel. Click on channel. So some of you have not done this, so go ahead and select your country. Then write or put in your channel keywords, what your channel is all about. This is what this particular channel of mine is all about. So you can put up to 300 words, okay? So you can put a lot of things that you represent. Just keep putting it. And if you find it difficult to do this, you can check out your competitors, other channels that are producing or creating the kind of content that you are creating. Check out what they have and you can input it in your own. And the easiest way for you to be able to do that, just install TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will help you bring out every keywords on different YouTube channel. Okay, really the channels that you are interested in. Install TubeBuddy and you will have those keywords that will help you generate your own. So if you have done this, go to advanced settings, okay, select if it's not for children. Look at this point, I'm selecting it's not for kids. Let me just quickly go over to the features eligibility. Ensure that all these ones are labeled. See standard features. Ensure standard features is general. If you log into YouTube, create a channel, you're going to have standard features. Then intermediate features, you will not have it. You have to enable it, okay, by registering your phone number. I've done a video like that before. Okay, I'm going to put it in the description below. So go ahead and also do these advanced settings. So enable it. YouTube is going to be sending you a link. A link will be sent to your email. You're going to use a facial verification. You just do some movement and you'll be okay. All right. Now, what I want to show you now is to go to customization. Look at this icon here. It's for customization. That's what we want to do. So click on it. I told you I'm going to be customizing this channel. Yes, we are there. So go to Home tab. Now this feature, a lot of persons don't know it. Okay. Now you're going to come here, the add session. Add session. Then look at this first one, channel trailer. Channel trailer is the video that people will just first and foremost see. Maybe they get into your channel, your own page. That's what it will just suddenly start playing. They don't even need to click on it. You understand? And that's a way you can get views. You get it? You don't have to touch it. It will just play automatically. So it's a great way to get views. So click on channel trailer. And if you click on it, okay, it's going to load every videos you have on your channel. Now look at it. These is videos I have on my channel. So I'll now look at, okay, which one will I want to promote as a channel trailer? Let me select this, okay. So immediately select it, then you click on publish. Really click on publish. You are good to go. You can even try yourself. If you go back to your own page, let's just go there. If you go back to your channel page, you see that that video is ready for all your viewers to see. Let's go to my channel page. Let's see it. Like I said, I'm using my phone, so I just use it. Look, this is the video I selected. Oh, this was the video I selected. So it's now my channel trailer. Let me show you the proof. Now look at this For You page. Was there before. Look at the shorts was there before. You see, my normal videos were there. You understand? So this channel, look at popular videos. The channel trailer was not there before. So it's the first video people will see when they come to your channel. It's important you do this. You can get a lot of views with this. And let me also tell you, the video that you should put here are video that you know that you like and is doing well. You understand? Don't just put any video, because this can easily discourage people. Make sure the video is doing well, or even if the video has not started doing well, make sure it's a good video. Make sure you have a lot of value in it. Make sure people will get value in that video. This video, I know you're going to get value, so you can go ahead and watch it too, because I explain in details how to increase your views and your subscribers with some major setups there. Okay, so thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that and help me grow a larger community. Bye bye, and see you in my next video.